Welcome to this session on the Structural Shape Catalog. OpenBuildings Designer Update 7 and forward features the next generation of structural elements by utilizing Bentley's Pro Structures application shape catalogs. These elements are more detailed and are incorporated into the OpenBuildings Designer structural placement tools. In this session, we will use the Steel Column tool to take a look at the shape catalogs. Ensure that the floor selector is set to Floor Roof, Top of Steel Roof. From the Ribbon Interface, Structural tab, select the Steel Column tool. In the Property panel, set the catalog item to Main Column, or just Column if working with the metric dataset. In the Place ribbon, set the placement to Middle Center. Set all the offsets to 0. Toggle Interactive off and set the rotation to 90 degrees. Set the Place By method to Length at End 1 with a length of 24 feet or 7287.5 millimeters. In the Place Column Property panel, expand the section name by clicking the down arrow. The Section Name Library menu expands, and we can access various shape libraries from here. Expand the standard list. This list can be filtered by selecting a shape type. From the standard list, expand AISC-IW for the US dataset and BS-UC for the metric dataset. From the list, select either W12 by 16 or UC 152 by 152 by 51, respectively. Now let's look at some more functions of the Shape Catalog Library tab. Expand the section again. Select the Shape Catalog button. The Shape Catalog dialog box opens, and we can see that there are various catalogs available. With the controls in this dialog box, we can add, remove, and append the shape classes that are presented to us in the Section Name Library menu by moving items between the list of available shape classes and the list of current shape classes. Additional tools on the Shape Catalog dialog box include OK, which saves the dialog changes and closes the dialog. Cancel closes the dialog without saving the changes. There is also Help and Templates. You can see Help for more information on using the templates. So select the Cancel button to close the Shape Catalogs dialog. Place a column at the column grid location B4, B3, B2, B1. These columns are part of the roof framing, which will be finished in another exercise. Now change the length of the column to 19 feet or 5787.5 millimeters and place columns along column line C. Then change the length to 14 feet or 4287.5 millimeters and place the columns along column line D. Then again, change the length to 9 feet or 2787.5 millimeters and place columns along column line E. And again change the length to 4 feet or 1287.5 millimeters and place columns along column line F.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.